This video is brought to you by the Devin Trent Photography Beginner's Guide, a 3-hour video course designed to help you take better photographs in any situation using the camera and lens that you already have. To learn more, click the link below this video or visit devintrentphotography.com/guide. Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, I'm going to show you how to shoot, edit, and export your videos for Instagram TV. Let's get right into it. All right, so first things first, if you're using a DSLR or mirrorless camera, instead of holding your camera landscape like this, you'll need to hold it upwards and portrait, vertical like this, and shoot your clips like this. The next step is to drop your clip on the timeline. Now, if you get this message, so this is a 1080 timeline. The clip I just dropped on it was a 4K clip. So if you get this message, then you want to change the sequence settings to match the clip, because you want the sequence settings to start off matching the clip. But I'm not going to do that for this example. I'm going to use a 1080 clip. The next step is to drop the clip on your timeline. And you'll highlight the clip and go to Effects Control and rotate the clip by 90 degrees. Now, if you shot it to the left, then you would use a minus 90 degrees. But I shot it to the right, so it's minus 90 degrees. And then you'll need to scale it down to 60%. If you use 50%, then you'll see you got these black bars. So no, we're going to scale it down to 60%. And now it's full. All right, and then the next step will be to export the clip. Go down to export. And we are going to, right here where it says width and height, you're going to check this and you're going to change it because it's a 1920 by 1080. So we're going to flip it the other way. So it's portrait. We're going to change it to 1080 by 1920. And so now you see how small it is in the frame. You'll go to scale to fill, and now it'll fill the frame. Render at maximum depth and export. And there you go. Now when you send it to your phone, you'll see that it takes up the entire screen. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on the next one. And if you're an aspiring photographer looking to take better photographs in any situation using the camera and lens that you already have, then check out my 6-day photography mini course. In this course, I reveal some practical and actionable tips that you can implement immediately and take your photography to the next level. To get your hands on it, just click the link below this video. Devin Trent here signing off, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.